Good morning, brothers and sisters. Today is Sunday, September 21, 2025. Our Sunday Gospel, St. Luke chapter 16, verses 1 to 13. We will just read the very core of our message in verse 10. Whoever is faithful with very little is also faithful with a lot, and whoever is dishonest with very little is also dishonest with a lot. The Gospel of the Lord, our message is stewardship. The stewardship of believers, ang pangangasiwa ng mga mananampalataya. First, in forgiveness through our repentance, being forgiven and now having a new life with Jesus and making it better. Sa pagpapatawad, sa pamamagitan ng ating pagsisisi, ang pagiging pinatawad at ngayon ay may bagong buhay kasama si Jesus at ginagawa itong mas mabuti. Second, in faith through our acceptance of Jesus, being saved with Jesus and now a humble and generous servant of God to all. Sa pananampalataya, sa pamamagitan ng ating pagtanggap kay Jesus, ang pagiging ligtas kasama ni Jesus at ngayon ay isang mapagpakumbaba at mapagbigay na lingkod ng Diyos sa lahat. And third, in love through our friendship with Jesus, being a friend of Jesus in the love of God and now living to love one another. Good morning and God bless us all.